Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I've been getting a lot of requests of doing that, so I think that should be best for the first video. Today you're going to be needing anything that you use for your brows. I personally like to use a pomade. I like to use the Malone one, and it kind of looks like this. I like to use it in Burnett. It's number 4. And then you're going to be needing a concealer as well. I personally have used a lot of concealers, a lot of drugstore concealers. So I like to use right now the Makeup Revolution, the Fast Face Concealer. I usually like to use it in C1, but this one is C5. It blends in more to my skin. And for that we're going to be using that once we're done. And I like to use the brush to clean it up with, the M421 from Morphe. It's kind of like an angled brush. Not really, it's not an angled brush. It's a concealer brush, but it's a really small one. So with the pomade, the packaging always comes with an angled little brush, and it comes with a spoolie in the back. So I usually like to use these. I have tons of these just because I use one for like the longest time, just because it lasts really long. I like to outline the whole thing. To go to the top, I don't take it all the way to the front, just because we're going to do a little bit more natural in that area. So after that, I like to start filling it in. And then I like to have some product on there when I start doing this area. Just a little bit, and I like to just flick it up so it can look natural. And then let's get onto this one. For this one, I like to just put a little bit on my hand, just so I can keep going at it underneath it. So I'm gonna be cleaning the bottom first. I'm gonna go up to the top now. If you mess up, you can just go back in there with your pomade. And it's smaller because it was thick. And then I go back onto the bottom, just so I can make it a little bit thinner. It still looks pretty thick to me. On this brow, I always take off more than I'm supposed to. It always happens. But I just like to go slightly where I see that I need to fill it in. Right in that area. Now, everything right here, since we're going to be doing eyeshadow later on, I like to just fill it in with the rest of the concealer that I have in my hand. And I just like to fill it all in and just get ready. I usually use concealer for my base. And obviously I like to just brush it out with my fingers so it won't look weird. And there we go. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if this helped you. And to keep up with our color of the week, I usually do that on Instagram. And I let you guys pick it, so just in case you don't have me on there. But let me know how this goes. Thank you for going through this with me. It was exciting and nerve-wracking just because it is my first video. But I hope there's going to be more, and I'm pretty sure there is. I'm really excited for this journey, and I love you guys so much. You guys have been very supportive on everything that I've done. Bye, love you.